Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott new front air strut for the Mercedes-Benz GL-Class X164 without ADS and excluding AMG. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start the removal of the old strut by setting the steering to straight ahead. Raise the vehicle and remove the front wheel. Now, disconnect the sway bar linkage. Next, remove the nut from the ball joint and separate it from the spindle assembly. Then cut the cable ties securing the wire harness mount and remove the wire harness mount from the shock. Disconnect the airline by unscrewing the brass fitting from the strut's top mount. Then remove the 3 upper mount flange nuts. Now remove the lower shock mount nut, followed by the bolt. Now you're able to remove the strut from the vehicle. Do not remove the air fitting from the air strut. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until fully seated. Start the installation of the new Arnott air strut by installing the strut onto the vehicle in the same orientation as you removed it. Now install the lower shock mount bolt and nut and tighten to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Reattach the spindle assembly and install the nut onto the ball joint. Using the supplied cable tie, secure the wire harness mount to the shock. Now using the supplied hardware, install and tighten the top mounting nuts. Now remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Next, insert the airline by first removing the plastic shipping pin from the air inlet fitting. Then push the airline hose in until it's fully seated into place. Please note that the airline will not pull out when it's inserted properly. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on installing an Arnott new front air strut for a Mercedes-Benz GL-Class. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.